Hello everyone and welcome back to HotCuppaCrypto. My name is Jordan and today we have a crazy cryptocurrency market update for you all. Now sit back and take a sip of your tasty beverage. I do not actually have a beverage today guys, so it is a very sad day indeed. But if you love these cryptocurrency news, reviews and market updates, then subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notifications. We are coming to you guys today with a quick little market updates video basically. So yeah, I just wanted to say thank you for the awesome support here on HotCuppaCrypto. As always guys, it is amazing, so thank you. And yeah, today we have coin market cap, and basically we're just checking on here for the prices. We do have Bitcoin just hovering around 19.2k, ETH about 1.3k. And as you can see, the market is relatively neutral. We do have XRP, Luna, sometimes a little bit Cardano as well, just pumping nowhere, out of nowhere, basically out of the blue, but then coming back down very rapidly. And the dollar index is rising up again guys. We are approaching 115 price target, price, which is all the way up here, which is the high we previously hit right a few weeks ago. And now the dollar is looking to take that out again, which is putting pressure on all of the stock markets. And if we look at Bitcoin, it is holding steady on this resistance, but it is forming a huge descending triangle. Can I show you guys here? Maybe I can show you. Basically it's roughly like this guys. It's a long term descending triangle, which means these, when it gets to the end of this pattern, usually breaks down, right? Because as you can see here and here and here, many times we have tried to already break downwards. So Bitcoin is continuing its bearish trend. However, it has not broken down yet, right? So it's holding up steady. However, what I am bringing to your guys' attention today is this dollar index and the treasury yields, right? Which is putting pressure on not just Bitcoin in the crypto market guys, but this is the stock market, the stock markets as well. Look at this. This is the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ today, the tech stocks. This is now the NASDAQ. As you can see, making a new low for the bear market. So it's crazy. So US stock markets hitting new lows today. But if we do jump back to the treasury yields, this is the treasury yield guys, and as you can see, it is a massive green candle. This is actually the 1 hour chart, and we don't usually see candles this big when it comes to the the bond yields rising. This is the 10-year treasury for the US, and these are the two most important metrics. The reason why we always look at the dollar and the treasury yield guys, and we do check the NASDAQ and the stock markets as well, but the reason we do check the dollar and the treasury yield is because these control Bitcoin, right? These two assets, what the everything that happens to Bitcoin and the crypto market depends on what happens to the dollar, right? So if the dollar does continue to hold strength here, then Bitcoin will continue to not go up, right? Which means it could go down and continue trending downwards long term. So anyway, guys, gold dumping down to 1,667 right now, which is pretty crazy. But we do have oil, the price of oil exploding ever since the new OPEC announcement after Joe Biden foolishly nearly emptied the US's oil reserves. It's absolutely crazy. So we could see oil and inflation, going to new highs soon, which is crazy. So speaking about that, guys, the Bank of England, they have decided to double their bailout, 65 billion bailout program. So they turned on the money printer the other day in order to bail out the UK pension funds, right? When we nearly had a financial crisis. Well, they have said that the initial bailout wasn't enough, and now they need to double the amount of bonds that they are purchasing. So they are purchasing now UK bonds, not 5 billion per day, but 10 billion per day. They have doubled the amount. That literally means they are printing 10 billion pounds, guys, every single day and adding it to the money supply. Now we won't see that, this is going to cause worse inflation long term, but we won't see it straight away, because here in the UK, we're already having skyrocketing inflation, soaring prices and everything, guys. But we will be seeing that, maybe 6 months or to a year down the line. That's how it affects us. And as you can see here, the Bank of England are, turning on the money printer basically. And this is you can see the chart that they are, they are buying bonds, and it's not good. They're increasing the amount they're doing that basically. So also we have a few bullish news stories for Bitcoin today, guys. Long term, guys, I believe in this cryptocurrency market. That is exactly why I started this channel, HotCuppaCrypto. So thank you so much for joining me on the journey here. And we look at all kinds of things, DeFi projects and lots of exciting projects, especially when there is a bull market. However, during the bear market, we are going to be delivering to you guys. We're going to be sticking around and building during the bear market, and you guys should be working on your knowledge and expanding your skills, expanding your knowledge, basically. If you're here watching this video, that means that you believe in crypto long term, which is absolutely awesome, guys. But long story short, Paul Tudor Jones, who has been previously known for being bullish on crypto, he is one of the world's greatest investors, right? And he is saying that Bitcoin will have a much higher value someday. So he's pretty bullish. As well as him, we do have the author from Rich Dad Poor Dad, which is Robert Kiyosaki, right? He's one of another renowned investor. So pretty noteworthy people here who are saying that the macro is a reason to buy Bitcoin. He's basically bullish, and he's letting people know that you should be buying Bitcoin, gold and silver, guys, in order to protect yourself for the current upcoming economic catastrophe that could be happening. Because even though we could see another leg down for Bitcoin, it's basically one of the more for long term, it's something that guys, you're going to need. People are going to need to protect themselves from these crazy banks doing endless money printing, which is going to eventually cause currencies to collapse. As we talked about, the Bank of England was doing it, with the money printing. Let's check out the pound today, and you can see, guys, the pound, by the way, the currency is falling down, right? So as the dollar rises, the pound and the euro here, they are both collapsing. So just keep that in mind, guys. Currencies are going down, right? But Bitcoin isn't going, soon the currencies seems to be going down faster than Bitcoin. So that is the point, right? Long term, guys, that is only going to get worse, not for Bitcoin, but for the currencies. Excuse me. But of course, short term, we can see Bitcoin having a pullback. That is normal in the bear markets, right? So keep that in mind, guys. Some more really exciting and awesome news. You guys may have heard Dubai. Crypto is massive in Dubai, right? In fact, a lot of crypto millionaires go there because you pay zero taxes. Even though Dubai has a zero tax policy there. It's really amazing for entrepreneurs and businesses. They are introducing a new 9% tax though, but that's for local Dubai businesses currently, not for crypto related businesses. So yeah, overall, ecosystems housing almost 1.5 active organizations. There's a new report that shows that there is roughly 1,450 Web3 organizations already based on the native blockchain technology, while 35% are based on non-native technology. In other words, there are, thousands of cryptocurrency organizations already based in Dubai, right? The United Arab Emirates, one of the thriving new age cryptocurrency hubs and one of the fastest growing places for the adoption of Web3, right? And cryptocurrency, guys. Excuse me. So it is pretty awesome to see that. As you can see, the United Arab Emirates crypto market is expected to grow tenfold, guys, in the near future, which is really insane. We do see a lot of crypto, like I said, cryptocurrency enthusiasts flocking to Dubai, and it is a place I want to visit at some time in the future as well. Sometime in the near future, guys. And a last story. Previously, in the previous video, we mentioned about India creating their central bank digital currency. Well, there's a new article I noticed today. I just wanted to bring it to your guys' attention. But India are really, they're really focusing on this. The Central Bank of India, they think that cryptocurrencies actually pose a threat to financial stability, and it's pushing their central bank digital currencies as a potential fix. So they're trying to propose a central bank digital currency and say, look, this is going to be better, but guys, central bank digital currencies are big trouble. They are the end of privacy and the end of freedom, basically. So CBDCs, I have previously discussed, and we're going to go into them in the future videos on this channel. They are coming to all countries. All banks are working on them around the world, and they are going to be, each central bank, right, in each country is going to be releasing their very own central bank digital currency as basically a competitor to Bitcoin in order to try to fight back against Bitcoin, which is currently sort of unbreakable because it is international. So one country can't really shut Bitcoin down, guys, and that is why Bitcoin is really giving us, it gives everyone true hope, because it is real freedom, being able to control your own assets, take them all around the world and things like that, and not have to be restricted basically with your financial privacy. So yeah, it's pretty awesome. So anyway guys, that is the update for today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and we're going to be delivering to you guys more updates in cryptocurrency videos and DeFi reviews soon, as always guys. It's a shame, but I didn't have a tasty beverage today. But let me know what you guys are drinking in the comment section below. Thank you so much for your support. Feel free to leave your guys' feedbacks and anything you want me to discuss coming up on the future of this channel. We'll see you guys very soon on the next video.